Yo, what's up, nigga?
Niggas chilling on 110 Madison Avenue. That's where I'm from. I'm at home. Feel me? Chilling. Oh yeah, I'm chilled out. Got some phones on. Got a run floor on baseball jersey and shit. You
Nah, I had to record that part. Yo.
What you say?
Yo, nigga said let's get on this train and then the train just closed though. He said, oh, fuck it.
Oh, you wild.
Oh, Zeus.
Shit.
That's my son Zeus, yo. We out to that.
Yo.
Yo, interview this nigga Zeus, nigga.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yo, you like the wizard from Nah, he like the wizard from Adventure Time, the ice wizard.
Oh, you like ice cream?
He like the ice cream. You know that? Yeah.
It's mad loud. I wanted to spit some bars.
Spit some balls, nigga. What you gotta do, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, look at this bum ass.
You say, yo, look at this bum ass.
Yo, that's our train, bro.
Oh, fuck that, nigga.